What's one thing college students can't live without? I'll give you a clue. 99% of millennials have one, and the average college student spends 9 hours a day on it. The smartphone, whether Android or Apple. They eat with it, sleep with it, and take it everywhere, even here. And yet 50% of students report that their smartphones are damaged or broken. RepairU offers a solution to these students with broken phones by making our repair services as accessible and affordable as they are modern and unique. We do this by utilizing an online scheduling platform and social media to connect our student-trained technicians to those in need of a repair. Without storefronts, we reduce costs for everyone and remove travel for our customers. Upgrade plans seem attractive on commercials, but not to our bank accounts, and most of the time we simply can't wait.
RepairU is a team of capable students with years of industry experience.
RepairU will beat the statistics and give students options, a way to fix the device we are so dependent on.